Barbecue tool sets are an essential item for any grill master. There are many products available to choose barbecue tool sets, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best barbecue tool sets from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart Deluxe Grill Tool Set. The Cuisinart CGS 5020 Barbecue Tool Set includes 20 essential tools for grilling, all contained in a durable aluminum carrying case. The set features a perforated spatula with serrated edge, tongs for easily grabbing and flipping foods, a digital temperature fork with preset temperatures and built-in alarm, a silicone basting brush for even coating of marinade, and an 18.5-inch long grill brush with stainless steel bristles for efficient cleaning. The set is perfect for on-the-go or at-home grilling. Number 2. Stainless Steel Heavy-Duty Grill Tool Set. The Alpha Grillers Barbecue Tool Set includes 4 extra-thick, solid stainless steel utensils with comfortable silicone grips that will never rust. The set includes a serrated edge spatula with a bottle opener, lockable tongs with scalloped grips, a strong skewering fork, and a silicone basting brush. It works well for all grill types, including gas, charcoal, infrared, electric, propane, or rotisserie, and can be used for indoor or outdoor grilling. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Grilling Tools. The OXO Good Grips Grilling Tools set includes a durable stainless steel turner and tongs, perfect for flipping burgers on the grill. The turner's wide, beveled head seamlessly slides under foods, and its double bend design provides leverage for lifting. The non-slip grips ensure a secure hold, and the set comes with a hanging ring for convenient storage. Number 4. 31 PCS Stainless Steel Barbecue Grill Accessories Set. The Rinpair Barbecue Tools Set includes everything you need to kickstart your grilling journey. With essential tools like a spatula, tongs, and a grill brush, you'll find it easy to prepare and cook your favorite meals outdoors. Made from thick stainless steel, these tools are durable and designed to withstand regular use without bending or cracking. Plus, the lightweight carrying bag keeps your utensils organized and secure during transport, making it perfect for camping trips or backyard barbecues. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, this set simplifies your grilling experience and ensures you can focus on the fun of cooking. Number 5. Heavy Duty Rose Wooden Barbecue Grilling Tools Set. The Gorilla's Barbecue Tools Set is an essential upgrade for your grilling experience. The set features real rosewood handles, providing a comfortable grip while adding a touch of elegance to your outdoor cooking. The included spatula, fork, and tongs are crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, ensuring durability and strength for handling larger cuts of meat. You'll appreciate the 3-in-1 spatula, which simplifies cutting and flipping with its serrated edge and built-in bottle opener. Plus, the lockable tongs help you keep your food securely in place while grilling, making it easier to achieve perfect results every time.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.